Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to share this video. Leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And also like the video, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. So guys, today we are making beef and vegetable rice. This is not fried rice. This is not jollof rice. This is another way you can spice up your rice. If you're a rice lover like me, this is another way you can enjoy your rice. This is so yummy, so delicious. In fact, you're going to be addicted, okay? Guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video. So here is what I'll be using to prepare this beef and vegetable rice. Here all I'll be using. Here I have my beef. Here I just brought it out from the fridge. I'm going to be cutting this beef into stripes, okay? And then I also have my chicken. This chicken is optional if you don't want. The beef is okay for you. So I'll also be using fresh tomatoes, my scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic, my bawa, and also tatashe. I'm going to be blending this pepper with the garlic and one of these onions with my bawa and my tatashe. I'll be roughly blending it, okay? I'm not going to blend it to smooth, just roughly blend. And also I have my bell peppers, that's my green red bell peppers, and also my carrots, okay? So guys, let's start cooking now. We are going to start now by cooking our chicken, and to that I already have my pot on fire. So now I'm just going to add in my chicken. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always and always coming back to support me. God bless you all. I'll be adding in my pepper. So here is my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to be adding that to my chicken. And then I'll be adding in my onions. I'll be adding in my curry powder and thyme. So just going with any seasoning and spice of your choice, okay? I'll add in my seasoning cube. I'm using the ordinary Maggi star. I will add in water now, and then I'm going to stir and cover the pot. Allow this chicken to cook. This is hard chicken, so this should take about 10 minutes, okay? So I'm just going to stir, cover, and allow to cook. And while this is cooking, I'll be preparing my vegetables. That's my bell pepper and my carrots. So guys, our chicken is cooked now. I'm just going to take it out from the pot. If you have watched me up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. Please like this video if you are yet to like the video, okay? Help me to click on the like button. To like the video, it's free. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? And share the video. So I'm just going to take this chicken out now because it's already cooked. So now I'm going to be adding in my rice, my washed rice. Then I'll go in with curry powder. Curry powder at this point is not necessary, okay? I just feel like adding more curry powder to it. And then I will add in salt. I will add in enough water to cook the rice, okay? And then I'm just going to stir and I will cover this pot and cook my rice on medium heat. And guys, our rice is cooked now. Look how yummy this rice is already looking like. At this point, you can decide to eat it like this because it's still delicious like this. But no, this is not the end result, okay? Guys, have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? If you have not, please like and subscribe, okay? Also share my video. So now in my pan, I'll be going in with some vegetable oil. I'm just going to heat that up and then I will add in my marinated meat. So I use curry powder, oregano, seasoning cube, rosemary, Italian seasoning and sesame oil. So I just use it to marinate my beef, but you can use any. So I'm going to cook this beef. I'm cooking this on low heat, okay? I'm going to cook it until the meat is cooked or until it's looking pale in the eye. So now that our meat is cooked, I'll be going in now with my chopped tomatoes, and then I'm going to stir this. So here is my scotch bonnet pepper, my bawa and my tatashi. I'm just going to be adding it now. I'm going to mix everything to properly combine, and then I'm going to allow this to fry for about 5 to 7 minutes, okay? And then I will come back. Guys, have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Please always like my video. If you watch my video and you find my videos interesting, please always like it, okay? Liking is free. So now that it's ready, I'll be adding in my seasoning cube. And then I'm going to mix everything together. I will allow this to fry for extra 3 minutes, okay? 3 minutes later, I'll be adding in my chopped carrots. I'll add in my onions now. I'm going to mix this together, allow to fry for 2 minutes, okay? So guys, 2 minutes later, I'll be adding in my bell peppers. That's my green and red bell pepper. I'm going to mix this, allow to fry for just a minute. So now that our sauce is ready, I'll be adding in my already cooked rice. I'm going to mix everything together to properly combine the sauce and the rice. And guys, look how yummy this is already looking like. We are not done yet. So I'm just going to garnish it with the remaining carrots and bell pepper. And guys, this is what we have. Our beef and vegetable rice is ready. Look how yummy and colorful this rice is looking like. Let me know in the comment section, is this what you would love to try? Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, share this video, okay? Look how delicious and yummy this is looking like. Thank you guys for watching, and until I come away next time, please stay safe. Bye.